Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to open my computer and heard that there was glowing keys on the computer and this computer is an Alienware. So I'm so excited because it's a gaming computer. I wonder if I can play all the games that I liked on here. So let's start opening. Also, I got this for my 9th birthday. If you saw in the last video. So I'm going to put it like this, gently. I want to be gentle so it doesn't break or anything. So, you're going to see how it's going to be open. Okay, so I think that has to be this way to open it. Yeah. Oh, the box has like stuffing so it can protect. This is what I got. It has lots of soft little bits for the computer to be safe. It's red and it has like a black alien on it. Inside, it has an Alienware as well. It came with this instructions for things. So here it is. Instructions. So I'm going to put it in this side. I probably didn't know that it had like this on it for the charger. So here's like a little wire to make it longer if it needs to. And here is the full box. This is very big and heavy for just this computer. So I'm going to put it on this side here so it doesn't get in our way. I'm going to put this back in here. So I'm going to take out the Alienware gently. I'm about to open it now. Here it is. It's a very different shape to the normal computers because this is like like that, a different shape because they're all like squared or rectangle and they're different shape and stuff. It says here Alienware in caps. Here's the keyboard. So I'm going to turn on the on button's Alienware. Alien here. The camera power button looks like an alien. So I'm going to press it. Look at the keys. I wonder what's the natural colour. Oh, this is the natural colour for the Alienware. So I'm going to press this once. We're on now. So it's moving, blue light. You can have music, but I'm not going to play any because for you know, copyright. So I'm going to show you all the songs that we can have, but I'm not going to play any. I love it because it's so fast and the keys light up and lots of fun. So this is a Dell 15 and 15. So this is a Dell 15 Alienware. I love it because its keys light up. So like we're gonna play one of my videos. You can play music here, but we don't want to play it because it's copyright. But I'll just show you it. Right. So we can play here. You said that there's music here. Senorita. It's not playing because you see it's on mute because we don't want copyright. And we don't like copyright. If we go to Google, it's so fast. So you see my hands are here. I'm gonna click it right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, 2 double click. Ready? So here it is. And let's see how fast we can type it. So here it is. We're going to find my channel now. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Let me start now. There we are. Here I am. So which one should we do? Since this is for my birthday, let's do this one. So there's my sloth cake. This is when we went to Sharma's. The picture's really clear. I started again so you can see the picture. So we're just going to zoom in a bit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. So there's my sloth cake. It looks like it has a bunny ears. The picture is great volume. And the volume is very nice. There you go. It's a Windows 10 home, 16 GB, 256 GB sold. It is a Windows 10 home, 16 GB, 256 GB solid state drive. It is 15.6 inches, 6 GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. And it is a Dell M15 Alienware. So this is my unboxing video. So let's go on. We got the train one. So look, I'm wearing my onesie because I was cold. Here is my present. Oh, Harry said hi. This is my gaming laptop. Its keys can glow. So we're going to turn off the lights soon. But first, I'm going to show you my dad downloaded this. So this is my Roblox. I'm going to custom my character, avatar. And my name is Roblox Guitar. I got lots of stuff and more stuff, lots of stuff. You see? I love this computer. I'm playing Roblox on it. I'm planning to do a game video because this is a gaming video. So stay tuned for it. I'm playing music, I'm playing a game. Love this computer. I'm planning to do a game video on Adopt Me. Do it for you. Do it for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. See you next one. Bye. Wish I had to love. I got Alienware! Yay! I always wanted one to play games on. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Welcome. Mom.
Wow.